show. So today we're going to test out the Black Scout Survivor tactical pen with the carbine window breaker. Obviously, it's also a pen, but more importantly, it's a window breaker for breaking in stuff, windows mainly. Not anything illegal, obviously it's for like emergencies, but you know, let's see if it works. So when you're breaking a window, a lot of people think you just hit it in the center or up in the tops. I'm not even sure this is going to work, it's kind of loose in there, but it's got some pressure. But anyway, the pressure points are here in the corners, so that's where you're going to want to hit it. I don't know. It's a lot different in the car, so I'm not even sure this is going to work. It's definitely going to crack it, but I'm not sure if it's going to work, because you got to think, when a car's closed, all the doors closed, that's where all the pressure is on the windows and stuff when you close the doors. So, I don't know, let's give it a shot. But anyway, you want to hit it in the corners, just as an example, or the top or the center, because you might break it up there, but you want the glass to actually fall. Make it fall. You want to hit it from the bottom. So, give it a shot. Just like that. Yeah, so, it works. Definitely works, guys. Got a big old gouge. Got a big old gouge in that thing now. And, yo, that was badass. So now I gotta clean this shit up, and that's it. Catch you guys next time. Quick video, quick tip. Learn, prepare, survive, and all that other crap. Peace.